Hello everyone, let's start a new questions. Develop a relationship between depth of irrigation water, field capacity, permanent welding point, root zone depth and dry density of soil. Knowing that the daily evapotranspiration has how you will decide the irrigation intervals. So depth of water available during irrigations. Available moisture is the moisture content between field capacity and the permanent welding points. We have seen the field cap, what is the field capacity and what is the permanent welding points. The readily available moisture is the moisture which is easily extracted by the plants. The approximately 75% of the available moistures. During irrigation, the amount of water applied should be such that the moisture content of the soil is raised to its field capacity. After irrigation is discontinued to the moistures. Content of the soil is reduced due to transportations by the plants and evaporations from the soil surface. The total water lost from the soil due to transpirations and evaporations is termed as evapotranspirations or consumptive use. The moisture content of soil should not be allowed to get depleted below the lower limit of the readily available moistures. As such, when the soil moisture content reaches the lower limit of the readily available moisture, it should be replenished by irrigation and again raised to the field capacity of the soil as shown in a figure. This is a figure for the frequency of irrigation. The minimum water of the depth of the water dW to be applied during each watering is given by dW into yd into yw into d into fc minus m0, where d is the depth of the root zones, fc is the field capacity, m0 is the lower limit of the readily available moisture contains, yd is the dry unit weight of the soil, yw lambda w or yw is a unit weight of the water. Frequency of irrigation, it means time in a day after which watering to field should be repeated to ensure efficient irrigation is called a frequency of water. So you have a question, what is the frequency of irrigation? So this is a definition for frequency of irrigation. Time in a day after how much days watering can be done after irrigations. If Cu is the rate of daily consumptive use, then efficiency of irrigation Fw is given by Fw is equal to dW by Cu, which is uh, given in days. Time required to irrigate the certain areas. Let T is the time required to apply the desired water depth dW to bring water level in the soil from M0 to field capacity FC over irrigation field of area A. If Q is a discharge in the field channels in Qmax, we have T is equal to A into dW by Q, which is in seconds. So this is a relationship given here. Go through these questions.